You might already be a fan and recognize that tape, but today I'm going to share with you an unboxing from Cultivate What Matters, and I'm excited to show you what I got. Let's get started. So I'm really excited for this. I got a mystery bag, and so I'm opening this with you so you're going to see my reaction to what I got. But they had, I believe it was 4 different styles of mystery bags, and they said there were no repeat products in all the bags. So if you wanted to get all 4 mystery bags, then you would get completely different products. So I got the goal setting mystery bag, and it's interesting because I expected it to come in a bag, and I'm noticing it did not come in a bag. It's just in here for me to see, but okay. So I thought the mystery bag would come in the bag itself, but it does not. But the mystery bag is $50, and this is what it came with. It said it had a retail value of, I think it was $120. And so it came with tending tape, which I do like washi, magnetic bookmarks, those are good, goal setting sticker book. Let's open it up and look at the stickers. So they got some motivating phrases and some stickers you can use for goal setting. These are like little circle dots. I believe they match the progress circles in the goal setting notebooks. So you get that. Break it down. So, oh, that's kind of nice. It's a notepad for project planning, which is helpful. So you have your project or your goal, why you're doing it, and the action step and when you don't want it done, and then a checkbox. And then you can have a notes section. So that is helpful. You have black gel ink pens, a set of 4, and then a fresh start daily goal planner. And so if you open it, I believe, yeah, they always have like some work you can do to work through before you set your goal, and then your goal action plan, and then you have a monthly calendar. And then like this page, I don't really want to flip through the whole thing. And then you prepare for the month. You have your tending list, things you want to do that month and during the week. And then here's the daily part where you can put out your schedule, your priorities, and then check marks. Did you tend to your goals? Did you express gratitude? Did you encourage somebody? Place to put your wind. Your win, not your wind. Sorry. So there you go. You got them for every day. And I believe these are like quarterly, so you'll have enough pages for a quarter, so 3 months. So I got that. And then this is the bag that I was expecting it to come in, but you can put all your things, your planning things in the bag. So there you go. This was the goal setting mystery bag that they had for $50, and they had other ones like family and faith and wellness. And they said that the items that come in each bag is different, and so if you ordered one of those, you wouldn't get these same things. I also grabbed a couple of other things. They had their 2024 monthly planner on sale for $5. And I like to buy planners that have gone on sale because the dates, are pretty much done for the year, because you can still use an old planner and change up the dates. And so for $5, getting it on sale, I went ahead and picked that up because I figured I can still use this. I can just change the dates out. So I'm just kind of flipping through to see what it's like. It has the holidays, month by month. So here it kind of has some fun holidays. So clean off your desk day, popcorn day, compliment day, puzzle day. You can fill out your calendar. And so, and then after each quarter, so after every 3 months, you can reflect on that season. You have a place for notes, and then it just continues again. So yeah, I feel like that was a good purchase for $5. And this is their newest product. It's a brain dump journal. This was a bit of an impulse buy for me because I figured I could just brain dump in my bullet journal, but it looked fun, and so I decided, well, I'm already getting the other things, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and check this out as well. So the coil feels really strong and sturdy, and the cover is like a nice sturdy plastic cover, and the pages are turning really easily. One thing I really like about Cultivate What Matters and their workbooks is they have a lot of guidance in their journals that can really help you work through what they're trying to teach you to do. And so you'll have like lots of pages of just explaining how to use it. So they have journaling, and so they had all the explanations. And then you got your journaling brain dump pages. And let's see, there are okay, so it looks like from page 16 to page 120 are the journaling brain dump pages that look like this. And you can have a date, and then you have that, and then you have the 4 quadrants. And then your journaling list pages, where you can write your tasks and the due dates. And it looks like that goes from page 122 to 173. And then you have journaling open pages that are just blank, but you can put the date at the top. And that's from page 176 to page 201. So, and then she has a bibliography. I guess she references The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. So she used those as part of helping put together this notebook. So that's awesome. So there you go. So there you have it. That's my Cultivate What Matters haul, where I got the goal setting mystery bag kit. I got the refresh brain dump journal, and then the 2020 monthly planner on sale. Let me know which one of these you would use most, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.